my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to achieve this look. I'm calling it a pink summer look. Keep on watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. For my makeup base, I want to use this fair and pink complete care cream. It has foundation, moisturizer, and whitening, and also UV protector in it. I'm just gonna use it all over my face and tap it. So I'm done with my base. Now I'm gonna move on to my eye makeup. I'm using this blush from Maybelline, and I'm just gonna use it all over my eyelids. The next step, I'm using this palette from Mirabella Cosmetics. This is Mirabella Eyeshadow Kit, and I'm gonna take this pink color for my eyelids. And just blend everything with my finger. Next, this is from the same palette. I'm using the pink, but it is more bright than the first one. And just put it in my inner eyelids and blend everything out. And I'm done with my eye makeup. This is the results. Next, I'm gonna use these curler lashes to curl my lashes and put a mascara on it. And I'm doing the same thing for my left eye. Just curl and put a mascara. Next, I'm taking the same blush, but now I'm using it as a real blush. So just take your blush brush and just put it on your cheek. It feels like my cream is way too bright than my skin tone, so I'm just gonna use this Sari Ayu Martilla Art 2-Way Cake shades number 3 dark to darken my face. Now it feels better. It has the same color with my hands, and I feel more confidence. And for my lips, I'm also using Sari Ayu. This is shades number 7. The color is fuchsia, pink fuchsia, something like that. And just to make it more bright, I'm taking the Zoya Cosmetics red lipstick for my inner lip. Ta-da! I'm finished! That's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it, and see you on my next video.